Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for giving me a chance to explain my research about automation in electronics. I'm very pleased to be here. I like to talk about the role of motion sensor against automatic lights. Finally, I, I like to say something about motion sensors. What is a motion sensors? Motion sensors are an electronic device that uses motion sensor to detect nearby motion. This detector is often used in and around homes and workplace as a part of an overall security system or personal alarm system. Light bulbs generally work by channeling electric current through filaments that heat up and produce light. This time, we will discuss light bulbs by working using motion sensors. How automatic lights that use sensor work to detect movement with a distance of up to 8 meters and detection angle of up to 120 degrees. The existence of this lamp will certainly help you to save more on electricity tariffs. As a sample, when you enter the car garage, this light will automatically turn on and within 60 seconds, there is absolutely no movement. This light will automatically turn off by itself. Next, the motion sensor used in automatic lights is a PIR motion sensor. As the name implies, the PIR sensor motion will detect any movement or vibration, that is, the mounting region, through passive infrared. Passive infrared is usually used to detect the body temperature of living things such as humans or animals. So, in the other word, if humans or animal passing through the sensor area, the sensor will automatically detect and directly at the on position. However, to be able to apply it to the however, to be able to apply it to the automatic light controller, several additional control circuits must be carried out, such as the use of analog, digital, or various circuits that have been programmed using microcontroller. A microcontroller is a micro-sized function computer system in, in an IC or integrated circuit chips, in which a processor core is content memory, a small amount of RAM, program memory, or both that function to process the information received from the PIR sensor. Module is used as an input to detect human movement and will then be processed by Arduino. Then the relay is circuit that disconnects and connects the instruction data received by Arduino and also the lamp as an output. In addition to PIR sensors, BC547 transistor and 5VDC relays, the component used in the design of the automatic light R1K resistor, IN4001 diodes, 9V batteries, and 220 AZ lights. Are there any questions so far? Sorry. Are there any questions so far? I think it's clear. Let's move into my next point. What the method is used in this research? In this research, the author used the trial methods. The study aims to take control of the study room. Hardware and software are carried out in the experimental research on the system designers. The electronic suite is composed of all the necessary hardware to perform as required. The software used is made the software used is made to suit the needs of the system and then uploaded to microcontroller. That leads me to my next point. There are four important things in the process of designing automatic sensor like 1. PIR sensors, 2. LDR system, 3. 555 timer, 4. Triac driver. First, using a PIR sensor where the lights in the study room will turn on when there is a movement made by human. Using tools and materials such as Arduino, PIR sensor, ICD 1820, 5VDC relay, 12-volt adapter, speaker, 1PC, software, PC or laptop, Arduino board, USB cable or jumper, and the fiber. Where the sensor height is located is very influential with the range of the PIR sensor. Second, using LDR system, which aim to determine the effect of light intensity on the resulting voltage. Testing the PIR sensor circuit aims to see response of the PIR sensor of to to the distance and angle of the moving object. Third, using a 555 timer circuit is carried out to find out the length of the time resulting from the designed timer and the amount of the output voltage. The timer function to keep the system running as long as the timer is triggered. Fourth, use the triac driver to find out the magnitude of the working voltage on the triac driver. However, the PIR sensor is still related to methods 2, 3, and 4 because all of these methods are interrelated. The PIR sensor will work if it gets support from the performance methods from the 2, 3, and 4. To conclude my presentation, we can say that the PIR sensor will work if it gets human motion input. The placement of the height of the PIR sensor very influential in the range of detect movement from humans. On the other hand, the automatic lighting system will work based on the condition of light intensity and human movement. The PIR sensor used can detect human movement so that system can be used from that room. The current sensor has good accuracy because the current measurement is close to actual current value and can combine an automatic light control system with a monitoring system that can monitor the condition of the light in the room. Well, that's all can I say about automation in electronic. Any question about my presentation? I think it's done and clear. Goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.